My name is Sue Sutcliffe, and I've been helping people build profitable digital marketing campaigns since 1995. I developed Build a Website Day because I noticed that people were going to solutions that are throwaway rather than WordPress, which is something you can scale. WordPress is used by 66% of the websites out there, and it's because it's a really good infrastructure. Google likes it. It's easy to update. You don't have to throw everything away and rebuild. If you're starting out and developing a website, it's always best to deal with a professional. But when you don't have the time or you don't have the funds, it makes sense to build on WordPress, because that way, when you're ready to scale, you can throw some money at a web developer who can take the ball and run with it. So that's what Build a Website Day is all about. And basically, it's a day of training and a week of support. So if you want to get a website up and running quickly and easily and affordably, Build a Website Day might just be the thing for you. The way it works is you sign up, and it's $500. It's $500 for a whole day of training and a week of support. Some people like to prepare their content in advance. And that's great, because if you have your content, you can copy and paste it in and leave with the website ready to go. You also want to bring your images, but you can come with nothing and leave with a website. It's doable, and I'd like to help you with that. So what does the day look like? Well, you show up. And what we typically start with is the 5 ingredients of an effective website campaign, because you really do need to know the underpinnings. And then we talk about 10 cardinal sins of web design. And then we come back and we actually get hands-on. So you bring your computer, and I will walk you through creating a website right then and there. I have had some people that have actually come out and created a website and been done with it. That's really the exception. And you also want to take full advantage of the week of support. You're going to need some time to tweak your design and find the templates and themes that are going to make your website work. So that's what Build a Website Day is all about. So if you know of somebody that either 1, wants to get a website or blog up quickly, or 2, has a website right now, they've inherited it, they've had somebody design it or whatever, they've got a WordPress website, and they just want to learn how to do more with it, this is the workshop for you. Build a Website Day, SueSutcliffe.com/DIY.